Hello, how are you doing over there? I'm doing marvelous either. Right, today we're looking at the pronunciation of some verbs that take a vowel A. Right. In English, these verbs are considered long A sound words. Long A sound words which take A. Okay, for example, I'll mention some verbs that you sometimes mispronounce when you are having conversation with people around there. For example, we have the verb to take, verb to make, verb to shake, verb to bake, verb to wake, verb to break, verb to stake, verb to ache, verb to fake, and name, blame, escape. So what is the correct pronunciation of these verbs? The correct pronunciation of this verb is take. It's not exactly take, it's take. Make. It's not exactly make, it's make. Shake, shake. Bake, bake. Wake, wake. I wake up early, not I wake up early. I wake up early. Break, break. Steak, steak. Egg, egg. Fake, fake. Name, name. Blame, blame. Escape, escape. Normally you say escape, escape, right? It's escape. All right, thank you. That was our today's lesson, and I'm pretty sure as we are advanced teaching strategies, we provide online and face-to-face lessons. So thank you for watching. See you next time.